Take a look at the data wrangler. And to do this, you need to define your data frame as a pandas, as we have here. I'm running this cell, and as you guys can see, I have a data frame defined as a pandas data frame. The next step is go to the data tab. Let me go back here, data tab, and launch the data wrangler. It's going to recognize which data frames you can use. And now it's in here, it's ingested. And as you guys can see, it's a very similar, almost like Power Query integration to what we had in the Synapse analytics world. I'm going to make here a little change, transformation. I want the model of the car to be equal to Civic only. Okay, and click outside here and loading the transformation. I can apply it. You all get to see that the transformation gets translated into code. But let me just show you guys here which transformations we have in the menu. Formulas, schema, sort, and filter. The next step, it's I can save this code if I wanted to, or I can add this directly to the notebook. And this is what I've done. Scrolling down, the code gets copied to the notebook, and after I run it, the notebook, it's going to give me the result of the data frame that I just transformed, and it's now called df clean. I can add a new cell after this and save it as a delta table with the previous code from the previous video I showed you guys.